Ayan.
We're gonna open the another one because my parents just say don't on the sticker. So I'm just gonna get the turtle sticker for our For our guys, for our phone. So I'm gonna go. I'm back. So I just get the turtle sticker. So let's go put it in our hand. So cute. I like it. So let's go. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna get this one. We already got the sticker, so we're gonna get the elephant sticker. Okay, like that. And just the wings. Okay, that's the wings. So we're gonna the elephant. Daddy, pa-replace po ng ano.
Dirty na yung hands namin ni Mami. We cannot help you. We're eating already.
I can help myself. Ah! Daddy, I'm hungry.
Rice.
No.
Yung po ano? No? Tapos po pag dyan, abot
Ako na lang.
Lipat ka na lang dito sa mesa. Sabi.
Daddy, pupunta ko sa'yo yung wala na po ha.
Room storage.
Right?
Then, so we're gonna place like that. So, we're gonna open the another one, guys. It's already 3 minutes. Okay, the video is 3 minutes. So, if it get 10 minutes already, it's over, okay? It's already 2 videos already. I'm looking. This one is actually so good. Oh my god. So we're gonna usog the 2. So we're gonna oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So good. I died every day waiting for you. I will die you and me.
Drink the juice, please.
I'm thirsty.
Oh yeah, eat. Yeah.
I died every day. I have died every day waiting for you. I have died you and me. I don't know where's whisper for you. Maybe I am actually a girl. Maybe. Daddy, Daddy,
One hour na ata yung video niya.
No, 7 minutes.
Oh, done na. Na-open mo na lahat. Okay na yan.
Sticker ko. I have died every day waiting for you. I have done. Daddy, ang cute ng hedgehog ko. Oh, Daddy.
Oh, man.
Cute.
Arya, parang raw yun pag nakalagay mo ng wings ng turtle.
Parang niluto yung rice itong akin.
Lamb. Sige. Oh, Arya. Ayoko na.
Busog ka, Daddy.
Pwede ka ng ano ka na noodles?
Hindi na. Ano. Wala ako ng gana dito sa rice ko. Yung
Bakit?
sa'yo kinain ko yung last ng sa'yo, di ba?
Oo.
Sarap. Yung sa akin na, nakalahati ko naman na.
Oo.
Pero bigas.
Buti pala binigay ko yung kalahati ng...
Pero nga. Kaya Arya, okay din.
Wala na kalahati ng kay Arya. Busog na.
Ganun. Nakain ko lang. Ayun. Naman ang kain. Kumain na ng fries. 2 fries.
Dalawa.
Yeah. 2 fries and rice pa tsaka chicken. Dami. Busog.
I'll be back.
Mamaya magre-recite ka ng ano ha? Kasi tomorrow mo yun eh. Tomorrow na yun, di ba?
Ito, tapos, bye. Kasi 10